Welcome to our Bell 505 owner group meeting here in Germany. We at Bell Textron, together with our partner, the authorized dealer for the Bell 505 in Germany and Netherlands, Rheinland Air Services, are proud to present their new demonstrator. I would like to use this special occasion to show you the Bell 505. The Bell 505 is the most modern helicopter in its class and the ideal choice for entering the world of turbine helicopters. The 505 combines safety, reliability and efficiency at the highest level. Powered by a Safran Aerius 2R turbine engine with dual FedEx system and equipped with a two-bladed rotor system, the Bell 505 delivered outstanding performance. With a cruise speed of up to 231 km per hour and a range of more than 566 km, it sets new standards in its class. The Bell 505 can be flown from both sides and offers room for up to 4 passengers. At the heart of the aircraft is a fully integrated Garmin 1000 NXI glass cockpit. State-of-the-art avionics that display all critical information with clarity and precision. This greatly reduces pilot workload and enhances situational awareness. Optional features such as the synthetic vision, the traffic advisory system and the helicopter terrain awareness and warning system provides maximum safety. In addition, the Bell 505 is available with a fully integrated Garmin Autopilot in either a 2-axis or 3-axis version. It offers exceptional support, especially on longer flights, making every journey more relaxed. The Bell 505 is also an excellent choice for passengers. Comfortable seating, generous space, and especially the elevated position on the rear seats provide maximum comfort and a phenomenal panoramic view for everyone on board. The spacious baggage compartment easily accommodates luggage for up to 5 people. Additional storage space is also available beneath the rear seats. As a special feature, this demonstrator is the first helicopter in Europe equipped with an auxiliary fuel tank. This extends the range by up to 128 kilometers. When maximum baggage space is required, the tank can be quickly and easily removed. The Bell 505 combines performance, comfort and cutting-edge technologies, setting new benchmarks for its class.